നമസ്കാരം. आम्ही आता शेंच्यापाशी चढ व्हिडिओज केले नसं ते सगळं तुम्ही व्ह्यू करून തീർച്ചയായിട്ടും तुमगेला अभिप्राय सगळं घाल का मी रांदूचे सगळं व्हिडिओज काढता ते सगळं लायक करून येल्पूतू एडिट करून घालता त्यावेळी आम्ही आमकां जावं जाल्यार सपोर्ट तुम्ही दिला तर आमकां आनी व्हिडिओज करू असेल प्रेरणा मेळटली त्यावेळी तुम्ही सगळ्यांनी लायक कर का तुमगे फ्रेंड्स आली शेअर कर का सब्सक्राइब करूक सांगू काय
God Layee Pitto or sweet pop rice powder. This is a very old traditional snack of GSBs. With just a few ingredients, one can make a quick, tasty and filling snack. This is very useful when you get unexpected guests at home too. This recipe has been compiled by my friend and co-author of TKAG blog, Veena Malya. Here I am taking 1.5 cups of Layee in a dry mixer jar. Now powder this to a coarse powder like this. Keep aside. In a bowl, add 1 cup freshly grated coconut, add a 1/4 cup of powdered jaggery, also add some elaichi powder to this. Mix well to make a churn. To this, add the popped rice powder. Mix well. Now add a teaspoon or more of ghee and mix thoroughly using your hands if needed. A very delicious, healthy snack is ready for kids and elders alike. Do try out this tasty snack and enjoy with your family and friends. As always, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.